Okay, so I got an empty water bottle and I'm heading back down to Floyd's pond. To fill this up with some pond water, as has become a yearly tradition. I need some pond water for this laser microscope demonstration lab kind of thing that I do. And I was hoping it was going to be a nice sunny day, but can't complain. It's a very nice weather day. Oh, okay. Already haven't seen the turkeys since Friday when they wouldn't move out of my way as I was leaving for work, and I was honking at them, and you know, they wouldn't move from being in front of my truck, but they're around somewhere, I'm sure. That was a feather right there, for sure. I'm learning too that if you want to use this camera properly, you really gotta like hold it on a shot. Because with the deer, I was kind of moving it a bit too quick, I think. I was having trouble focusing. But yeah. I mean, they definitely, the turkeys are moving around quite a bit. Right there's another one. Yeah, so for the 4K to shine, you really gotta let it like sit on there. Anyways, pond water. Let's go get some Floyd's Pond H2O. Not to be confused with H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. I use in a toothpaste, H2O. My God, is that what I think it is? Oh wow, that right there. Oh wow, that's a rare species of Pennsylvania alligator right here in Floyd's Pond. I haven't seen one of those in years. I wonder if it's because we haven't had much rain. The pond has gotten so low that even the alligators aren't able to do whatever it is they do in the depths of Floyd's Pond. I gotta get this water though, so I guess I'm going in. Just gotta avoid that half. It's only a baby, a little guy. They get much bigger than that. Now, speaking of large creatures that live in large, non-moving bodies of water, I recently learned that there is a species of turtle that doesn't like retract its head in the way other turtles do. It like moves its head to the side. I thought that was cool. Look how sloppy it's getting down here. Ugh. That's this is the good stuff right here. This is the best kind of Floyd's Pond water you can get. Oh yeah, look at that. That's perfect. All kinds of critters in there. Protists, bacteria, micro animals, probably some rotifers, all that crazy stuff. It's cool too how like, because the pond level is getting so low, I'm like right on the plane of the pond, Floyd's Pond. Again, gotta make sure people know the proper name of this pond. Do not drop this camcorder in the pond, though. Most important thing. Look at this slop over here. Jeez. This is exactly what I need. Let's get some more. Let me get some of the good stuff. It even smells like dirty pond. There we go. That should be plenty. I only need a few drops, but it's a really cool demonstration. If you shine a laser right through a drop of pond water, you essentially kind of magnify everything inside of there. The same way the light from a compound light microscope would shine through the slide and magnify whatever on the slide. It's not perfect, but for the age level I use it with, it does a pretty good job of introducing microscopy. So, without further ado, blue duck's turning green, yellow duck is just hanging out, and we got some Floyd's pond water. And a Pennsylvania alligator. All a day's work here at Floyd's pond. I noticed too, there's like tree bark right here. Must have fell from one of these high trees.